This is to do with Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the United States of America. And ahead of that visit, we are learning that USA will be seeing a large number of protests by Khalistani and SFJ groups. And the mastermind will be Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Now, we are also being told, as per top intelligence sources, that a lawsuit has been decided after looking at the timings of Prime Minister Narendra Modi coming to USA. All of this is attributed to Pannu. Also, he goes on to say that Prime Minister Modi coming to USA is going to be matched with the protests. These are the words of Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. In fact, CNN News 18 has also learned that a terrorist, goon and criminal supported by foreign agencies to defame India. That's how Pannu has decided to put Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit as. In fact, he also goes on to say ISI has planted, there is a word that ISI plant in USA is going to be there to create these agencies, in fact, create Khalistan and these protests. Pannu is making all sorts of comments ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit, and that is turning out to be very, very controversial. And this is a very brazen statement that has come about by Sikh for Justice leader Gurpatwant Singh Pannu. Let's get in more details about this controversial statement by my colleague Akanksha, who's with us on the broadcast. Akanksha, very strong statements there, brazening it out, all this ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to the USA.
Absolutely agree, and let me inform that this is information which is being brought in by one of our senior editors, Mr. Manoj Gupta, and in fact, government sources have shared information with CNN News 18 that even the lawsuit which has been slapped by Gurpatwant Singh Pannu, remember one of the US courts has even summoned the Indian government officials, that in fact includes NSA Ajit Doval as well, and Nikhil Gupta, who was earlier extradited last year from Czech Republic. So all of this stirring of the hornet's nest is being done. As we know, Prime Minister is all set for that UNGA address. He'll also be holding a diaspora meet in New York. But this lawsuit also has been decided after looking at the timing of Prime Minister's visit. We know that Prime Minister will be visiting, and as Pannu has already announced this, there will be protests by Khalistani and SFJ groups. And remember, what government officials are saying is that he's also serving the purpose of the Khalistan cause or the Khalistan referendum, which we've seen being actively stirred in countries like the United Kingdom, not just US, even Canada, Australia, all of these nations. And it is important that the United States also takes a very strong stand against this, because remember, Pannu is somebody who's also a wanted terrorist in India. He has NIA cases against him for conspiring to promote Sikh separatism and Khalistan. He's also charged with sedition, promoting enmity and unlawful activities. There are other cases with regards to UAPA, sedition cases, cybercrime cases. The list is endless, and these are charges all dealing with sedition, promoting enmity, conspiracy, spreading hatred. And you have various investigating agencies like the NIA, Punjab Police, Delhi Police. So he's one of the most wanted criminals when it comes to the Khalistan issue in India.
Yes.
Henceforth, it would be important to see how the US government tackles this, because of Pannu, there has been much unease that has been created between New Delhi and Washington DC. Remember, India and the Indian government have been accused of plotting to kill Pannu, and this was a report that came in UK's Financial Times, after which the US government had also taken up the matter. So we'll have to see how Prime Minister Modi's entire visit to the United States pans out with these Khalistan protests in the backdrop.